Hey guys, what's up? If you don't already, it's your boy Tristan. What's good? Today I'm gonna get into a little bit of a wig dyeing video. So I have this one blonde wig, and I bought it from Rosegal. It's like a clothing company, clothing website, like one of those Chinese wholesales, and they happen to sell wigs. I got it thinking I was getting some beautiful 18-inch, but it ended up looking crusty as hell when I got it. This is what the wig looked like when I first got it. I mean, that's something, alright. So I was not really rocking with that, so I decided to do a straight across cut. Here's the wig right now. I will show you. I've decided her name is Brandy because this, like, come on, like this is fucking Brandy. On the wig head, it looks hella uneven to cut, but she's got a small ass head and I got a fat ass head, so it looks uneven on her, but trust and believe, when this is on my fat ass dome, it looks even. Anyways, Brandy, get your ass out of here. That's the wig that I'm gonna be dyeing. I took a poll on my Instagram. If you guys are not following my Instagram, I really do not know what you're doing because you're sleeping on your boy. So go ahead and hit, well, you can't hit it, but like, here's my handle. So go ahead and look me up and give me a follow. I appreciate it. So I took a poll on my Instagram, basically asking you guys what color you want me to dye this wig, and I had like 4 different options. Top 2 was cotton candy ombre and icy blue, and I was going back and forth. I was like, what the fuck do I do? I mean, icy blue ended up winning, but I was like, I don't know, cotton candy. I've always wanted to do a cotton candy ombre, but I thought about it. I said, bitch, you know, it would look fierce. Come on, you can't tell me, like, that shit would look so fierce on like a long ass wig. So for the shorter wig, I think we'll stick with the icy blue, kind of give me a like cool vibe and kind of match the hair I got going on now. I don't know, for summertime, I feel like icy is just in. Like, icy is where it's at. To achieve this hair color, I'm gonna be using Arctic Fox. If you guys want to get like a really nice like baby blue, I'd recommend going with like a midnight blue or a super dark blue. If you go for like those teals or those lighter blues, they tend to pick up a little bit more green once they're in the hair. Like, you can just use any conditioner. I'm really excited, guys, because I've been waiting for this wig to just be complete and looking right, because come on, like, guys, look at that before. Like, oh my. We need this bitch to get popping. I still do not have a brush for application, so I'm literally, and I don't have gloves either, so I'm gonna be mixing this in and we're just gonna slap it in the wig and hope for the best. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this wig, this color, this beautiful icy color, then continue to watch. So here I am acting a goddamn fool as usual. Anyways, so I'm gonna start off by wetting the hair because I'm using some purple shampoo to tone out all the yellow tones. So we just gonna sop this up in some nice cold water, get her all lathered, you know, treat her like our baby. So I'm using the Finola No Yellow because we ain't want no yellow bitches up and in here. And I'm just squirting this on, you know, trying to get every little strand, and we're just lathering her in, making sure that we could get her even. But this shampoo decided to snake me later on. You'll see in a second. But this is basically what the wig looks like once it's all lathered. I thought I did it evenly, but apparently I didn't. Like I said, y'all will see that in a second. Anyways, I went ahead and timed it 10 seconds on the clock on the dot, okay? And then we're just gonna go ahead and rinse this out with cool water. Yes, we are just rinsing her of her sorrows. Be gone, sins, be gone. This is what the hair looked like once it was all towel dried, and I don't know why it had a little bit of a body wave to it, but I was feeling it. I felt like this was my own hair. This was the hair on my scalp. This is who I am, mom. And we're just gonna go ahead and get to blow drying this wig right now. This is probably not the proper way to blow dry a wig, but I was just feeling the fantasy. I felt like this was my real hair. Oh my god. So I was just going ham, having a good old time. So this is what the wig looks like after I toned it with the purple shampoo. You can see there's a little bit of like purple streaks like all throughout because I didn't do it evenly, but that's cool. You know, it's all good. We gonna get it poppin'. So now we finna put on the dye because I look fucking crazy. Yes, girl, tell him you look crazy. Anyways, in order to not look crazy, I'm adding a bunch of conditioner, and this is basically gonna serve as the base for our dye because we're gonna want more conditioner than dye. So I'm just gonna add a little pinch, a little droplet of the Poseidon.
and I still don't have a hair applicator, so I went ahead and improvised with some chopsticks, and I'm just, you know, I'm just mixing this like a bowl of ramen, you know, my everyday routine. And this is the color that I came up with. This is my concoction, my baby. Alright, so there I'm, hey, what's up, what's good? As you can see, there's a lot of purple spots in here, and then the ends are left pretty white. I don't know why, but I feel like this wig was trying to talk to me. This wig was like, Dad, I'm meant to be cotton candy ombre, so I was like, okay, you know what, I'll support you in whatever you do because I love you. So naturally, this wig ended up becoming a cotton candy kind of dye. But right now, what I'm doing with my unprofessional ass, I'm literally just taking the dye in my hand and trying to spread it as evenly as possible because I don't want any like blonde pieces. Anyways, this is what the dye looks like on the first layer, and you could see it kind of already did that really pretty purple to blue ombre. And if this wig genuinely in its heart wants to be cotton candy ombre, who am I to stop it from being a cotton candy ombre? You know what I mean? Like, it's 2018. We care about everyone out here. As you can see in the back of the wig, the purple took so well. Like, Fanolo did not come here to play. When they said no yellow, they straight up meant no yellow, okay? As you can see right now, I'm just sectioning off the wig. I'm trying to do like inch and a half sections just so I could really get all the hair. And I'm trying to get it as close to the root as I can without messing with the lace. But I guess since it's a pastel color, it couldn't harm the lace too much. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with slapping the dye in, working my way to the top section by section. Y'all ain't need to see what I'm doing because it's not very entertaining. So this is what the wig looks like once it's fully saturated, and look, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. It's got like a periwinkle vibe to it. I'm really feeling it at this point. And bippity boppity boo, the wig is dry. So I know the color looks cute right now, but on the left hand side you can kind of see that it's a little splotchy, and the back was straight up purple to blue ombre. So later off camera, I didn't get any footage of me doing this, but I added some more purple shampoo in the root of this wig to kind of even out the splotchiness going on, as well as match the back of the wig. I only left the purple shampoo in for about 15 minutes because I want the ombre to be very subtle and for the colors to just kind of like melt together. Okay, so that pretty much is it for the video. We accomplished the goal. We went from banana yellow to, you know, pastel goddess. And, you know, I like the way it turned out. I think it's looking cute. And this shit is looking so fucking... Look at that color. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. So, I'm feeling this color. It's kind of like a, like, icy blue, but then there's like some periwinkle vibes in it. I'll show you what the wig looks like in a couple different lightings so you can see, you know, the true color, because I think right now it's coming across very just like periwinkle, but there's definitely a transition from purple to blue that you can see in real life. Ooh, look at that, it's so fucking pretty. The color's so pretty, but I just, y'all, I don't know how I feel about short hair on me. I just don't think it works. Let me know what y'all think of me in short hair, because right now, I don't really like it. Like, I love the color. I love the color that I did. But this short hair is just not giving me any fantasy. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any styling tips for short hair, or what, you know, what you think I should do to this to make it look a little bit cuter. Like, should I cut it shorter? Should I leave it the same? Let me know, because I still feel like there's another wig transformation that needs to happen with this wig, because it's not doing what I needed to do for me, you know what I'm saying? But overall, I mean, I love the fucking way the color turned out. Like, enough of my bitching about like me not feeling the short hair. Like, I think the color's popping, and I'm like in love with this. It's just very like my vibes, just total like mermaid realness. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. I'll push out a lot more. And yeah, as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagrams right here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.